Hey y'all, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, wonderful Tuesday. So today's video, this is gonna be an awesome one. I'm catfishing one of my friends. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a prank test. Like, you know how you got a prank calling, but we're gonna prank text my friend Kyle. You guys can go follow him on his social medias and stuff, you know. Actually, I came up with this last night. He said, you know what? I kind of want to catfish somebody. So I was like, you know what? Let me catfish one of my friends, Kyle. So I'm going to text him on Snap, as you guys can see right there. This is his name. It's so blurry. And the girl's name is actually Melissa Brown. Yeah, your boy could come up with some names. Look at the bit emoji. Looks fire. So, before we get into the whole video, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the post notifications so you guys don't miss any videos that I upload. You guys can go follow me on all of my social medias, or I'll be right here on the screen. You guys can go follow me on all of that, and you guys can keep up to date what I do in my life, and you know, take a look at my stories and see what I post, and let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, and guys, we're so close to 100 subscribers. So, you know, subscribe to the channel. That'd mean so much to me. Show the channel some support, some love. Share the channel with your friends and your family. Because, guys, we're so close to 100 subscribers. And it'll mean so much to me if you know, you share the channel with your friends and family. And let's try to get to 100 subscribers before June. Oh, wait, it is June. Before July. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Alright, so we're prank texting, aka catfishing, one of my friends, Kyle Wayheiser. Oh snap, hold on. We don't need that. So we're gonna start like a conversation, see how it goes, and then we're gonna FaceTime him at the end. So let's text him. Let's do. So I just said hey, and we'll text him on Snapchat. I was gonna make a Instagram one. I was gonna do it on Instagram, but you know there's a lot of scams on. Oh, he's answering. But like I said, there's a lot of scams on Instagram a ton of times. So he probably won't answer that and stuff. And so I was like, you know, let me just do it on Snap. I was gonna do it on my Facebook, but I didn't know how to switch accounts on that. Well, actually I did, but it wouldn't let me. So we're gonna do it on Snap. And he just replied back. So, how are you? With a question mark. Send. I wanna see how far this can go. He's typing right now. Good. Well, I literally came up with this idea last night. I was like, you know what? What if I catfish somebody? That'd be so awesome. What should I say? Oh. I want to keep like the conversation, you know, civil, you know, get to like know him better. So basically, AKA Melissa is gonna know Kyle a little bit. So like, you know, keep the conversation like, hey, how are you? How old you are? What's your favorite things? We can keep it like that, and then we're gonna go into the funny part. We're gonna go into the funny part. I think this is gonna be like the best video I ever did on my channel. So he's like, 18, how old are you? Also 18. I'm gonna say 18. Let's see what he's gonna say. I don't even know. I have my laptop right here, so I don't even know if I have class right now. Alright, no, we don't. I'm also 18. Okay. When is your birthday? I don't know. July 1st, 2002. Where do you live? Yo, this is so funny. Yo, this is the most funniest thing I ever did on my channel. July 1st, 2002. And then I said, where do you live? Let's see what he's gonna say. Mine is January 13th. In Schenectady, New York. How about you? I live in Albany, New York. Oh, Kyle, I don't know what you're getting yourself into. Look at this. You get a catfish, buddy? I live in Albany, New York. I want to see how far we could take this. I don't want to take this too long, because at the end, I want to FaceTime him and get his reaction. So, oh, nice. Not that far from Schenectady. And let's be like, I got a question. Do you know Ronnie Guyton? Which is me. Do you know Ronnie Guyton? Yeah, why? Jeez, it takes this long just to type. Nice. We'd be like, oh, nice. I've known him since kindergarten. Kindergarten. Why does it make a whole space? Oh, wait. It's like, I've known him since kindergarten. I asked him that I was looking for a relationship. I asked him I was looking for a relationship and to see if he had anybody that he knows looking for a relationship. I asked him that I was looking for a relationship and to see if he had anybody that he knows looking for a relationship. That's a good one. But that's long though. And he said you. Buddy's getting catfished really bad. I feel so bad for him. I feel so bad. He's getting catfished so hard right now. Look at all these messages. Hold on. Look at all these messages. Oh, nice. Yeah, and I am. Yeah. He told me all about you. Wow, Kyle, you really are digging Melissa, huh? You digging Melissa. That's nice. That is real nice. Let's see. Really? What did he say? That you are a good friend. So I want to get to know you more. Jesus, this kind of feels weird. I don't know. It just feels weird to me that this guy shivers down my spine. Kind of feels weird that I'm texting another man. God. Okay, sure. Yo. This must have to be the funniest thing I have ever did on my channel. Let's see. What should we say? What do you like to do as a hobby? What do you like to do as a hobby? What do you like to do as a hobby? You know, so we're gonna start off the conversation, you know, knowing knowing him and stuff, and then we're gonna move on to the Facetiming. So, you know, we started off with a conversation saying like, hey, how are you? Where do you live? How old you are? We started off with all that. And then, maybe I want to give it 30 minutes. 30 minutes in. Maybe 20 or 30. 20 or 30 minutes in. Then, I'm going to do all the pranks. Most of the time, it's music for me. I like going to a studio and record music. Oh, that's... Dang it. Awesome. I was marked present in economics. Just ruined my whole video, man. Jesus. Back to the video. Oh, that's awesome. I like to walk. No. I like to what? Dang, I didn't even think about this. I like to do my little sister. I like to, that. Oh, that's awesome. I like to do my little sister's make up. Oh, that's awesome. I like to do my little sister's makeup. Dang it, where did he go? Oh, there he is. What's your favorite place to eat at? What's your favorite place to eat at? Yo, I feel so bad for him. Oh my god. He's thinking that he's talking to a girl, which he's actually talking to me. Jesus, Kyle. Yo, guys, just go follow him on his social medias. It'll be right here on the screen. You guys can go follow him and all that, because I just feel so bad for the kid. So, what's your favorite place? He didn't even respond. Alright, oh, no, he's responding. It's gonna take a lot of cutting to do when I edit this video, because it takes so long to text. And I would have to say Applebee's, but it's so hard to pick because I like all food. Okay. I like to eat Longhorn steak. Hey, no cap? No cap? Longhorn Steakhouse? Yo, that's the best food restaurant that I've ever been to. Yo, shout out to them. You guys should go try it. You know, it has the best burgers, fries, cake, etc. Salad. Their bread is fire. So you guys gotta go try that. Oh, nice. I like that. Alright, let's do when are you graduating? Waiting. Speaking of graduation, I graduate. I have 2 graduations actually. I have one on June 16th. No, June 14th or 16th. I'll make a video on that, and then I'll graduate on June 25th, and I'll be making a video on that. So I'll be making 2 videos on both graduations, but separately though. They're not going to be together. In about 18 days. Awesome. I'm graduating in, let's see, I'm graduating in 14 days. 14 days. So desperate for a girlfriend. I see Kyle. So desperate for a girlfriend. Listen, I'm graduating in 14 days. I know. LOL. LOL. Nobody says that no more. LOL. What should I say next? Can you drive? Can you? Now let's see what he's gonna say. Let's see what he's gonna say first. What school do you go to? Go to. Let's say, Mohanison, right? Yeah, Mohanison. No. Niskiuna High School. I go to Schenectady High School. How about you? I go to Schenectady High School. How about you? Jesus, it's like it takes forever just to text back. I do. My cousin goes to that school and doesn't Lonnie go there too? And doesn't Lonnie go there too? What should I say? I would be like, do you know? Do you know Cameron? Yo, Cameron's also one of my best friends I knew since kindergarten. So, I'm gonna bring his name up here. I was gonna catfish Cameron, the one that I just typed. I was gonna catfish him, but I know he really doesn't go on his phone much. But, so, I wanted to do Kyle, and since he replies quickly. So, I'm gonna be like, do you know Cameron? He's gonna probably be like, yeah. And I'm gonna be like, oh, cause I dated him back in 7th grade. Yeah, that's a good one. I dated him back in 7th grade. Yo, do you know Cameron? Yo, my phone is so hot. Alright, buddy, come on. I know it doesn't take this long just to text. Just type it. Yo, look at this. It's literally been a whole 15 minutes now. So we're just waiting to see what he says. Yeah, he's also my best friend. Me, Ronnie, and Cameron are all best friends. Oh, okay. Because I dated Cameron in 6th and 7th grade. Because I dated Cameron in 6th and 7th grade. Wait. Man, that makes no sense. Wait. Yes, it does. Never mind. But like, yeah. I really didn't. Yeah, I really didn't like the relation. Yeah, I really didn't like the relationship between us. I have a question with a question mark on it. I have a question. Let's see what he says. Oh man. When I say really, look at this. Yeah, I really didn't like the really. It's supposed to say relationship, but it didn't spell out right. Let's see. He says, sure, what is it? Do you think wait. No. Do you like me? I feel so bad for the kid, man. Oh my god. Yo, I feel so bad for him. Well, what do you like to do for fun? I like to go on long walks at the park or have a picnic, but I don't have anybody to do it with. So I said I like to go on long walks at the park or have a picnic, but I don't have anybody to do it with. Well, that sounds nice, but do you like to go? Do you like going to the mall? Yes, the mall is awesome. I like to go to David. Jesus Christ. I got COVID. It's like, nah. I like to go to David Buster's. David Buster's is the most fun place ever. And if you say less, you're not my friend. Same. Alright. I think now it's starting. I think now it's time to take it a little further. So let's say I think I'm starting to like you. I think I'm starting to like you. But I don't know how many times I'm gonna keep saying it. I feel so bad for him. Wait, he said why? Because we like the same thing? Because I feel like we have a connection going on. Oh man. Oh, he got a story? Let's look at the story. Day 3 looking good, still the same with everything. No sun for 2 weeks. Shucks, still a little dry, blood on it, but that will come off. I can't pick it off or rub it either, but feels great. No, not sweat as much anymore. Homeboy got a tattoo. Look at that. Look at that. He got a tattoo. I'm about to get one too, so we just looked at his story. Let's be like, what are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Kyle, oh my god. When are you gonna realize it's me, buddy? When are you gonna realize it's me? Cool. Wanna hang out on Saturday? Wanna hang out on Saturday? I feel like I should spell Saturday wrong. Cool. Wanna hang out on Saturday? He doesn't even know he's being catfished. Jeez, yo, this gotta go on that show Catfish on MTV. Yo, that's my mom's favorite show. Sure. What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? Anything you want to do is fine with me. I'll be like, okay. We're taking a little step further right now. We're gonna say, do you look cute? Do you look cute? Hey, do you look cute? Ow, that hurt. Bud's probably blushing over there at his house. He's probably red right now. His face probably red. Like, oh my gosh, you just said if I'm cute. I think it's time to FaceTime. Whatever he says, he said yeah. I'm like, can I FaceTime you, please? Can I FaceTime you, please? I want to see what you look like. Can I FaceTime you, please? I want to know. I want to see what you look. Oh my God. What is he gonna say? Yo, I didn't know it takes sure, wait a sec. Okay. Let me know when I can FaceTime you. Probably putting on some cologne right now, like, oh my God, I'm about to FaceTime a girl. Look at this, look at this. Right now, it's 2:40. It is 2:40 right now. And I'm FaceTiming him. One sec, my mom was talking to me. Okay. Oh man, oh jeez, yo. So as soon as he says to FaceTime him, we are FaceTiming him, and I can't wait to see his reaction. I literally cannot wait to see his reaction like he's typing right now. Okay, I'm good. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1. Hi, Kyle.
Yo, are you serious?
Yo. Hi. Hi, I'm Melissa.
No, yo, you got another thing coming. Yo, you knew I was looking for a girl too. Oh, hell,
Yo, you wanna say hi to the camera? Yo, I got you so good too.
We have to have a talk after this.
Yo. Oh my God. Yo, what were you thinking? What were you thinking when you was texting?
No, I'm done.
Oh my God, yo. That was funny. That was really funny. It literally takes you that long just to text. I was sitting there waiting like, yo, when is he gonna text? Yo, that was funny though. That was funny. I got you real good. You was probably like, yeah, I got myself a girl. Yo. But yo, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna do the outro. I'm gonna call you after. Alright? Peace. Yo. Oh my God. Yo, that was funny. That was really hilarious. But that is the end for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was like the most funniest thing I ever did. Like, that's like the most funniest thing I ever did on my channel. Like, I don't know how funnier that could get, but that was hilarious. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see me prank one of my best friend Cameron, hit that comment down below and leave a like, guys, cause we're gonna do it. And like I said, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the post notifications so you guys don't miss any videos that I upload. And like I said, we're so close to 200 subscribers. So share the channel with your friends, the family, subscribe to the channel, and let's try to get to 100 subscribers before July. It would mean so much to me, guys. And yeah, the grind never stops. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.